In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceover narration to a video prompt in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This gives you a fresh space to enter your prompt clearly, which is especially helpful when you want the app to generate a video with specific narration instructions. If your goal is to generate a video, the next step is to describe the scene you want to create directly in the prompt box. Try to be clear and visual with your description so the AI has enough context to build the kind of result you want. Think about the setting, mood, and overall look of the video. To add narration, include the narration directly in the same prompt and clearly state that it should be used as a voiceover. This is important because it helps Meta AI understand that the text is not just part of the scene description, but something that should actually be spoken in the final result. For example, you could write a prompt like this: create a cinematic video of a mountain sunrise with a calm narrator saying, "As the sun rises above the horizon, a new day begins with endless possibilities." This kind of prompt works well because it combines the visual direction with the exact spoken line you want included. You can also go a step further by specifying the narration style. For instance, you might want the voiceover to sound professional, dramatic, inspirational, educational, or conversational. Choosing a style helps shape the delivery and can make the final content feel more polished and intentional. It also helps to describe the narrator's tone, pace, and emotion. If you want the voice to sound warm and encouraging, slow and reflective, or confident and energetic, say that in the prompt. These details give Meta AI more guidance and can improve how closely the narration matches your vision. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait while Meta AI generates the result. After it finishes, review the content carefully and check whether the narration matches what you asked for. Pay attention to both the wording and the overall feel of the voice. If the result isn't quite right, simply revise the narration text or adjust the voice style in your prompt, then generate the content again. A small change in phrasing can make a big difference. When you're happy with the final version, save or share the generated content using the options available in the Meta AI app. That's it. You now know how to guide Meta AI to create videos with voiceover narration more effectively.